Okay, right, so with 48 here now, you've got your part A, and look, cos has to stay there, so we change everything in terms of cos. So 8 cos squared theta minus 7, so sine squared, don't forget then, will be 1 minus cos squared, and you get that. So when you multiply out here, be careful, because you get minus 7, but minus 7 times minus 1 cos squared theta, minus times a minus is a plus 7 cos squared theta. And then get everything to one side, simplify it. Okay, so you get this. Okay, that's what you get there. So we're going to factorize this now. So you're going to put 15 cos theta, both brackets. Multiply, add. 15 times 4 is 60, so minus 60 actually, and add to give minus 4. So two numbers that multiply to give 60 is 10 and 6. And you want minus 4, so be minus 10 plus 6. That will work. So minus 10 plus 6. Because you times by 15, you need to now divide by 15 to sort of pay back. First bracket is a factor of 5. Second bracket is a factor of 3. $15 then cancels there with a 5 times 3. So you get cos theta equals 2/3, or cos theta equals minus 2/5. Okay, so then you go through your calculator business again, and you do cos 2 divided by 3, cos to minus 1, so theta is 48.2, and the same here then theta, check that in, so 5 there minus 2/5 is 113.6. You draw your cos graph. So every 90 90, 180, 270, 360, so 2/3, 48.2, 2/3 is about there. There's your 48.2, so then that one there will be 360, so theta is 48.2, 360 minus 48.2, so theta will be 48.2, 311.8, and then 113.6, where minus 2/5 is about down there. So 113.6 and 360 minus 113.6, so theta be 113.6, put an O there, and then take that away, so what have we got? 246.4, and there's your answer for part A. Okay, part B, now this is an interesting part here, part B. It says the angles x, y, z are three angles of a triangle. Tan x equals minus 2.246. Okay, now the fact they've told us tan x is minus 2.246, that's interesting, because what you can do is work out what x is. Tan to the minus 1 of minus 2.246. Okay, so you can do that, can't you? Because you can get one of these angles here straight away. And you get minus 66. If you look at that, we round that. I think that's sensible, isn't it? Because it's 65.999, etc., etc. So minus 66, and it's minus, isn't it? Now, because these are angles in a triangle, well, you can't have a minus angle, can't you? So what we need to do is to draw the tan graph now, and just to sort of establish what that angle actually is. Let's have a look at the positive sides of that angle. Okay, and when I draw my tan graph, actually, I don't need to do much in terms of, if you think about it in terms of angles, I only need to go to 180, because it's a triangle, okay? I'll put minus 90, just because we've got this minus 66 here, and it'll help me establish what's going on. So you're going asymptote of 90, asymptote of minus 90, And that's it. You don't need any more. You don't need to go beyond that because it's silly. It's a triangle. You're not going to have more than 180 degrees. So this minus 66 is about there, I'd say. Here's your minus 66. And the other angle of it will be there, the other version. So if you think, if that's minus 66, then that gap there is 66. This gap's going to be 66. So that will be, x will actually be 180 minus 66. So x will actually be 114. That is the sensible answer for x there. Okay, so angle x, we can say quite clearly, has to be 114, because it can't be minus 66. Okay, good. So then what does it say in part of the next bit then? Tan y minus z is 0.364. Find all the values for x, y, and z. Give your answer to the nearest degree. Well, we've done that for x. We've given that to the nearest degree. So tan y minus z equals, what does it equal? Minus 0.364. Okay, well I can do the same thing with this now. Y minus z equals tan to the minus 1 of 0.364. So let's get the calculator on that. So that comes out to be 20, look, exactly. So y minus z is 20. Okay. Now let's think about what we got. We got x is 114, and then we got y minus z is 20 from this setup here. But also, I suppose if you actually draw this visually, to see visually see what's going on. Here's your triangle. That's the angle x there, 114. Okay, so that's your x, and you've got your y and your z. If you think about it, angle y and z, we know what they add up to. If you think about it, angle y plus z, those two have to add up to 66 if you think about it, because the whole triangle is 180, that's 114, you got 66 left over, so y plus z has got to add up to 66. So can you see now you've got two equations, simultaneous equations, and they're easy, aren't they? Two simultaneous equations, we line them up one above the other. If you add them, you get 2y, that will disappear, that will be 86. So that means then y will be 43. And then, if you put 43 in there, you'll get the answer for z, or you can put it in here. Z will be 23. So we've easily got our answer, just doing this tan to the minus 1 nonsense, and then seeing the relationship in the triangle. Really straightforward.